Learning is not a linear process, and the skills you acquire in one subject can be applied to another. For example, if you excel at mathematics, you may find that your analytical skills transfer well to science or even history. When you begin studying a new subject, take some time to reflect on the skills you've learned in other areas. You may find that there are connections between seemingly disparate subjects that can help you understand concepts more deeply. One way to use what you've learned in one subject to help you learn another is to make connections between the two. For example, if you're studying literature, you may find that the themes and motifs in a particular book relate to ideas you've encountered in philosophy or psychology. By making these connections, you can deepen your understanding of both subjects and gain a more holistic view of the world around you. Another way to use what you've learned in one subject to help you learn another is to transfer study habits. If you've developed effective study techniques in one area, such as taking detailed notes or creating flashcards, you can apply these same strategies to other subjects. By doing so, you'll be able to retain information more effectively and improve your overall learning outcomes. When you begin studying a new subject, it's important to build on your prior knowledge. For example, if you're learning a new language, you can use your understanding of grammar and syntax from your native language to help you learn the new one. By building on what you already know, you'll be able to make connections more easily and accelerate your learning process. Critical thinking skills are essential for success in any subject, and they can be applied across different areas of study. By analyzing information, evaluating arguments, and making connections between ideas, you can deepen your understanding of any subject. To apply critical thinking skills, ask questions, challenge assumptions, and consider alternative perspectives. By doing so, you'll be able to approach any subject with a more nuanced and informed perspective. Finally, embracing interdisciplinary learning can help you use what you've learned in one subject to help you learn another. By exploring the connections between different subjects, you'll be able to gain a deeper understanding of the world around you and develop a broader range of skills. Interdisciplinary learning can also help you approach problems from multiple angles and think creatively about solutions. By breaking down the barriers between different subjects, you'll be able to see the bigger picture and think more critically about complex issues. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.